Hi, hello everyone. Let's start discussion on very important topic that is the key roles in quant team. So we will discuss on the what are the key roles and what are the roles and responsibilities of that key roles in the quant team. So before we are going to start this video, I will request you if you are interested in the quant team or you are looking for the quant related role, so please like and subscribe my channel. So I'm preparing the one video lecture series for the quant research analyst or the quantitative analyst, where I cover the mathematics, statistics, programming language, Python, or also I'm cover deep the financial instrument and the financial market knowledge. So these are very interesting sessions. So before start the lecture, please like and subscribe my channel, so that will also motivate me to create and more such videos for you guys. So let's discuss on the introduction to the quant roles, where we discuss on the details on what are the different quant roles in the quant team and what are their roles and responsibilities. So let's discuss overview of the quantitative roles. So we will discuss in the core quantitative skills, primary quant roles, and the applications in the quantitative finance. So quant role in finance are specialized position that utilize a mathematical model or the statistical knowledge or the programming skills and the data analysis to make informed trading and investment decision. These roles are critical in high frequency trading or the hedge funds or the investment banks. The primary quant role include the quant analyst or quant developer or the quant trader. So each role require a unique blend of skill and responsibilities, but share a common foundation in a quantitative analysis and the financial theory. So, understanding these role is essential for anyone aspiring to enter into the field of quantitative finance, as they represent the core function that driven data driven decision making and algorithm strategies making. So these are the overview of the quant role. So let's discuss one by one quant role. So initially we will discuss on the quant analyst role, then we will discuss on the quant developer role, and then the lastly we will discuss on the quant trader role. So let's start discussion on the quant analyst role. So in this slide we will discuss on the responsibilities and the skills of the quant analyst. So where we discuss on the model development and validation, data analysis and market trend, technical skills and the tools for required for the quant analyst, and collaboration and practical application. So let's start. So quant analysts are responsible for developing and validating the financial market or the financial models that support the trading strategies and investment decisions. They analyze the market data and the trend to identify the patterns and opportunities, often working closely with trader and developer. So they are work with the trader and developer to refine the algorithm. Key skills for a quant analyst including a strong background in mathematics, statistics, proficiency in programming language such as Python, R, MATLAB, and familiarity with the tools like Excel, SQL, and the Bloomberg. So their work involve a rigorous research and testing to ensure the models are accurate and effective in the real world scenarios, or they are responsible for doing the back testing, scenario analysis. Okay, and the quant analysts play a crucial role in the bringing the theoretical finance with the practical application, making them indispensable in any quantitative finance team. So they work with the quant team or the finance team or the compliance team to build the model for the the bank or the hedge fund organization or the HFT firm to generate the profit or to work that model with optimum way. So let's discuss on the quant developer role. So this is an also the very important role in the quant team. So in a quant developer role we will discuss on the core responsibilities, programming skills, financial and engineering knowledge, and the common types tools or the common tools that require for the quant developer. So quant developer are tasked with the building and maintaining the infrastructure that support the trading operations. So they are creating the infrastructure that support the trading operation. They implement the algorithm and financial model developed by analysts and optimize code for performance and reliability. Their responsibilities include the ensure the low latency execution, integration API, and managing the data policies. So they are familiar with the tools like Balsamiq or the Postman or the Fiddler for the API testing or API analysis. So, essential skill for the quant developer, including the strong programming ability in language such as C++, Python, Java, as well as deep understanding of financial system and the software engineering principle. The tools commonly used by quant developer including Git, Rubix, and various low latency framework. Their work is critical for enabling real-time trading and ensuring that quantitative strategy are executed effectively and accurately. So these are the responsibilities and the skills for the quant developer. So let's move on the next slide, that is a quant trader. So these three roles are the part of the quant team. So last role is the quant trader. So here we discuss on the core responsibilities and the skills of the quant trader, or the essential skills and the key tools that will handle or use by the quant trader their day to day life. So, quant trader execute the trade based on the quantitative model and strategy developed by the analyst and the developer. So, they monitor the market condition in real time and adjust the strategy as needed to optimize the performance and manage the risks. Their responsibilities include the decision making under a pressure, risk management, and collaboration with other quant professionals to refine a trading approaches. So key skills for quant trader include a strong analytical thinking, knowledge of trading platform, and understanding of market microstructure. So the tools frequently used by quant trader including the trading terminals, Python, Excel, Bloomberg. So their role is dynamic and require a balance of technical expertise and strategy inside the success or in a fast-paced financial market. So commonly these roles are the important role in the quant team. So guys, if you are interested more in the side of the quant team or the quant role, or you are interested in looking for the next role as a quant analyst, so please like and subscribe my channel, so that thing will motivate me to create and more such videos for you. And if you are any open point or if you have any questions, please do comment on my channel, so I'll be there for help you on that point. So thank you so much guys once again to attending this video. Thanks.